Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing of the Samsung wireless charger dual pad. This is one of the only two Samsung wireless chargers that can fast wireless charge devices such as the Note 10 Plus and S20 series and the Note 20 series, because this has Samsung's fast charge 2.0. The regular fast charge only maxes out at around 9 to 10 watts, and this particular one maxes out at 12 watts. If you find other third-party chargers that list about 15 watts, they do not really work with Samsung phones. You need this fast charge 2.0 standard to fast charge any Samsung phone uh, more than 10 watts. Alright, so this is one of the two. There's also another wireless charging stand that Samsung sells that goes for slightly less, but it has 15 watts wireless charging as opposed to 12 watts on this. And on this side, there is the regular fast charge which maxes out at around 9 watts. Okay, so let's take a look around the box. Alright, so it includes the wireless charger, a wall charger with 25 watts of power output, a cable, and a quick start guide. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the charger. It comes with a film that says you need the 25 watt charger that comes with in the box instead of the regular 12 watt chargers, 15 watt chargers, power adapters that might come with other Samsung phones such as the Note 9 series or below. Alright, so this is the special charging adapter that you need to fully utilize this wireless charger. So you are going to need the 25 watt travel adapter that comes in a box to have the full output of this wireless charger. Okay, so the cable is a standard USB-C cable. So this is the wireless charger. So on this side, you have the fast charge 2.0 side, and this is the normal fast charge side. And there are fans built into the wireless charger to aid with cooling, because it's gonna get pretty warm and you will want to keep your phone cool for the best longevity of your batteries. Okay, so this side, as you can see, it's like slightly smaller compared to this. This is actually for your Samsung Galaxy Watch or other smaller accessories such as your Galaxy Buds. Okay, so if you look at this, it's actually just the old wireless charger and tacked onto here. And yeah, it's basically the same thing. And it has ventilation holes as well on the side. But this side, the ventilation hose is mostly to cool the wireless charger and not much on your phone. If you want to cool your phone while charging, you're going to have to use this side. Okay, so without further ado, let's plug it in. Okay, so I am back. I am using a different phone to record, so the video quality might be a little different. But anyways, here I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It has the support for the wireless charging 2.0 standard and the regular one. Okay, so let's see on the right side. What does it say? Okay, so it says fast wireless charging 1 hour and 58 minutes. But if we move it over to the right side, the estimated time drops by around 30 minutes with the 12 watt wireless charger. Alright, so it also has support for charging off another device such as the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So as you can see, both of the wireless charging coils are active now. And if you're charging a low power device such as a Galaxy Watch, the fast charge 2.0 side will still work. But if you are charging two phones, they will both drop to fast charge 1.0, 9 watts each. Okay, so now let's try another device such as my AirPods. Okay, so now again they are both charging wirelessly. Okay, last thing to note, this wireless charger will only work with the original adapter that came with the charger, the white one that I showed you earlier. Okay, so now it is charging both devices, as you can see, no problem. But if I use another adapter, such as the one that comes with the Galaxy S20, the black color 25 watt 25 watt fast charging adapter that comes with the Galaxy S20, you can see that the LEDs will keep flashing, and not only that, you cannot charge any devices wirelessly at all at any speed. I tried with my phone and it just will not charge. Okay, so to use this, you have to use the original one that comes in the box. And let's give it a try with this 45 watt PD power bank. Same story here, the lights will keep flashing, throwing an error, and you cannot wirelessly charge any device at all. So that's just one thing to take note. Okay, so if I use back the original one, the white colored adapter that comes in the box, it will flash for like 3 seconds and you can charge your devices no problem. Oops, sorry, this one goes on this side, and yeah. Okay, so your Galaxy Watch can only go on the right side. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe if you like the content and like a video if you liked it. Thanks for watching.